To set up my Photoshop file in Photoshop, I'm going to go to File, New, choose Print. It's already set up in inches, and my resolution is 300 pixels per inch, so that's good. I'm going to create it. The white background, and I'm going to need to draw a frame to define the boundary past which the printer won't go. So I'm going to use the rectangle tool. If I click and draw this, I can set up something that's 8 inches. The default setting here is pixels, but if I type IN, it'll accept it. So you can always, in every Adobe product, specify your unit of measure. And 10.5 IN, and that gives me a rectangle that to use the drawing tools. No, I guess I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to place this centered. There it goes. Got it, finally. Centered on the page. The frame itself has a 1 pixel rule. And if I use this arrow, apply, I can verify that that stroke is black. So I've got a frame set up in my Photoshop file. 1 pixel wide, and the thing about Photoshop, unlike InDesign or Illustrator, is for every layout that I make, I have to save a new file. So I'm gonna save this as PhotoComp1, and I'll have to do a save as to create additional files for explorations with Photoshop.